If I'm being honest with you, I haven't been sleeping very well, and I'll tell you why. I got a Hemi and I just cannot hear it run. I don't like it. Today we're gonna snip some exhaust on this old girl, and I just want her loud and nasty like Fergie's national anthem. It's gonna be good. Probably not, but it's cheap. Well, step 12 is we got to see if she fires up. Been sitting about 312 years, but I think I got just the thing. I even think I got a battery for her, so we might get her. Yeah. Low grit. When I snagged this old girl up, this guy was already, she was down, but it's a 6-volter. A lot of places don't carry them on the old shelf, but I think I ordered one on the old Amazons, and she's here now, so we'll pop that in quick, put about 48 gallons of fuel down her, and she should fire off. And that's dried up. It's been sitting so long, but I'm pretty confident she's going to come right around. I don't even know if this will work, but she's got juice in her anyway. Wow. What do we need? 9/16. I don't know, something like that. Dang it. 1/2 inch, where are you? There you are. Yeah. Get out of here! Dang it. These are a handy tool to have around the shop. I don't know, kind of like seeing the doctor after 50. Looks good. Let's see. Positive ground battery. So this, I'm going to snag that over there for now. Set that down there. Get off. Get out of there. Come on. That'll work. Something like that. Perfect. All right. Yeah, that's way too much. Perfect. Okay. Oh boy, she's moist in here. Okay. Oh, I got fuel pumpage. Here we go. Immediately. Keep going. Nothing. Try it again. Oh, starter stuck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 3/4 pumps. Starter's dragging. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 21, 22. No starter. Well, why is that happening now? It doesn't have a... Oh, it does. I didn't know that. Boy, I have not heard the starter that unhappy before. I can't believe this has a neutral safety switch. Maybe that wasn't enough gas. Another 12 gallons, I guess? Yeah. Oh boy, that was not good. What is going on here? I ain't got no squirter action. This carb. That's the next thing I'm doing is this carburetor. She needs replaced on. Here we go. Me understand it. Well, that was interesting. That was harder than the first time getting her running after sitting for a decade. And she's smoking the beat heck and leaking coolant now. Man. Thick. That carburetor, she needs rebuilt bad. The pump on it's shot, so the squirters don't work. And I don't know if you guys can see the smoke, but it's kind of concerning. I'm thinking there might be a small fire in here. Better be. It's fine. See, this to me is embarrassing. After it takes you 28 minutes to roll your window down at a stoplight, you lean out and yell, yeah, she's got a Hemi. But listen, I can't even tell if this thing's running or not when I hit the old stop sign. I gotta lean the ear out the window. This has gotta change. Okay, let's bring her up. Get her up in the air here. I'm not even really sure what's going on here, and looks like a explosion happened or something not good, but we can test if it's restrictive by heat. I'll have to use the side of my hand because I can't feel my fingers. Oh yeah, this is hot from running, of course. And this guy, holy Moses, really hot, really hot. And then this guy, nothing. Well, I mean, it's lukewarm. So all the heat, this is restrictive. We got to get rid of this thing, and then we'll have some better flow. We might catch an HP or 12 as well. This is comfy. Guy wants to go ahead and save on his old extensor carpi radialis brevis whenever you can, and use an air twister 4000. Guy's got the hangers off, but the slip joints ain't slipping, so I'm gonna use the make it happener and just zip zang right at the ends of the old muffler. Then I'll try to the old ends off. You know what I'm talking about. Now I just got the collar of the muffler left on here, and she's tight. So I'm going to run an Angulus Maximus down here with the Corpus Christi and let her loosen up. Just like that. Here's the weapon of choice for this here car, and she's a Thrush glasspack, and there's a couple very specific reasons I chose this one. One, it's red. I like that. And two, it's the cheapest one I could buy. The car has different size inlet tailpipe than outlet tailpipe, so I'm going to try to snip in the old front side and then slide over the old back side if I can get the tailpipes in the car to spread apart, which I might be able to do. So I'm just going to use my tailpipe expansion tool. I don't know, I just call it a make it bigger thing. And then widen up the front one so she, you know, slides in there. If you don't own one of those guys yet, you can go ahead and roll off a cliff. You can find them at O'Reilly's and then just don't turn them back in, and basically you stick them in, and once you crank on them, they open that up for you. There we go. I've got her snipped into place. And fits pretty good, even though it was a offset inlet and a center outlet muffler. I got them to kind of move over. This one here isn't pushed in as far as I'd like, so I think I'm going to get the old Zeus machine and just zzz, 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 down here a little bit. And this one's fine enough for a clamp back here, and then we got brand new exhaust system from the manifold all the way back. Let's bring her down. Oh, easy now. We got one final step to the old exhaust system here. That's a chrome tip. You just can't go without them. This will give you the full jips and tips experience here. She's a Wikipedia. If you haven't looked it up yet, I'd do it. Basically, it proves that women like the old glass packs and chrome tips. Well, I like that. That looks just fine. Them are cheap and handy. Well, let's fire it up and see what this old girl sounds like now. Boy, if that don't sound better to you, you better get one of them digital brain scans, because that's about 82.7 billion% better in my opinion. This is a super cheap upgrade any of you could do at home. All you need is a jip and a tip and a couple clamps, and boom, new exhaust system. That's gonna do it for this episode. I'm gonna go out and let the old glass pack just sing. Thanks for watching as always. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click on that button and hit the notification button as well. See you next time.